I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. Ooh, I'm gonna love you. Hey guys, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play 10,000 Hours by Dan Shay featuring Justin Bieber, or the Biebs. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I get so happy whenever I see someone subscribe. Maybe it sounds like I don't get enough, but I love it. And also please hit the like button because it also makes my day, so I appreciate it. And let's get into it. Standard tuning, Capo on the 3rd fret here. And so the way that the song starts is you're going to pluck the D string open. Okay, so you do, and then you hammer on the 2nd fret. Okay, so I'm doing it with my middle finger. You can do it with whatever one you want, but, and then you're gonna pluck open on the G string. So right here, see that one? All right, so you're gonna do open 2, open hammer, open. Okay, so, and then you go to G. Now the G is gonna be, I think it's easier to play it this way because you go from C to G a lot, so I think it's easier, but if you want to play it like this, you totally can. All right, so the chords you're going to use for the verse, and there's only 4 chords in the song. Sorry, there might be 5, but anyway, the only chords you're going to use in the verse, you're going to do G, and you're going to do G over B. So when you do that, you just lift your ring finger off, and you keep your middle finger on and your pinky where they were. So pinky on the 3rd fret on a little E string, your middle finger is going to stay, or if you're doing the other G, you're going to have your pointer finger there, but your finger is going to stay on the 2nd fret on the A string. So then that's G over B. So it goes G, G over B. And then you do C, G. Okay, so G, G over B, C, G. All right, now what you're going to do here is, so it's going to be, do you love the rain? Remember, notice you're playing that first, the G. Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance? So after dance, you do C. Okay, so do you love the rain? All right, so that's where you're going to be transitioning from G to the G over B. Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? Okay, so it's drunk with your friends at a party. You're going to start doing the G there. Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? And I'd probably do the G right after friends, but I actually hate this lyric because I don't drink. I never have. But anyway, and then you're going to start over again with G. So you're going to do, what's your favorite song? And favorite song, you're going to be doing G over B. So G, what's your favorite song? G over B. What does it make you smile? And then you're going to do, so smile is on C, and then G is, wait, do you think of me? So you're going to do it at the end of G, of me, okay? So let's just once through there. Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? Okay, then, so that's the verse. So you just play that G, G over B, C, G. You're going to do that twice, okay? That's the verse. Then you go into the pre-chorus, and the chords and the progression, everything are exactly the same as the chorus. So the pre-chorus and the chorus are the same chords and stuff. So it's, when you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Okay, and that's G, E minor, and that's a super easy transition. G, E minor, so that's just those 2 fingers. E minor, C, G. When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything, I want to know it all. Okay, so you play that twice. G, E minor, C, G, and then once more. G, E minor, C, G. And that's the pre-chorus. And notice too, the strumming for this is just strum, 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 strum. It's just all downward strums. You don't ever have to do up and downs. I will throw them in a lot when I'm like transitioning chords, but you could just not play right there. That's totally fine. So I'll show you that too. So now for the chorus, so all those are single strums in the verse and pre-chorus, and then I think the bridge is actually the same way. We'll get to that in a second. But for the chorus, you're just doing the same thing. Okay, sorry, you're gonna do the same chords that we were just playing, but you're gonna play like faster, more consistently, okay? So you're gonna do, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. Those are all downward strums, okay? And I'm not even throwing in the up and down, so it's, I'd spend G's on you, okay? Think of it that way. I'd spend 10,000 is where you do G, okay? I'd spend 10,000 hours, and hours is where you do E minor. And 10,000, so C is 10. And then you're gonna do, and 10,000, so I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. So that you do the second G on more. Sorry, I get kind of mixed up when I'm teaching it sometimes because it's different than just straight playing it. So you have to remember, play it through once to get it back. So then it's, oh, if that's, so G again, that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. So, oh, if that's a G, that's what it takes, and takes an E minor to learn that sweet C. All right, sweet C. C is on sweet, sweetheart of yours, your G. Okay, so G is on yours. And I might, so then might is G, might never get there. Let's see. Yeah, and I might never, might is G, never get there. G, get is E minor. But I'm gonna try. So I'm is C, and then G is try. So, and I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's, and then if it's 10,000, so 10,000 right there is G. Hours is E minor, or the rest is C of my life. Life is a G, okay? That's a G, I don't know. Anyway, so G is over life. So then you do, I'm gonna love you. Ooh, ooh. So I'm gonna show you the strumming real quick for that. So the strumming is just down. You could play it just straight downs like that. I was just trying to show you like where the chords go. But the timing of it is just gonna be in a bunch of downwards, or you can do that like up and down when you are transitioning chords. That's what I've been doing. So let's see, it's, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. Okay, so I'd spend 10,000 hours. So notice that. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Okay, so just try and do that. Listen to it. Down, 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 down. Now, you can play it. I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. Notice that. So I'm just throwing in that up, down, that quick up, down in between chords, okay? You don't have to do that though. You're totally good if you don't. So that's how the verses go. That's how the chorus goes. At the end of the chorus though, you are going to play just single strums where it's, I'm gonna love you. Okay, and you're just playing that same like beat or the same rhythm, but just single strums. Just like that, okay? Then, that's, you already know most of the song. Then lastly, we're gonna do the bridge. And the bridge is B minor. Oh, want the good and the bad and anything in between. Okay. And so you just do B minor, C, B minor, C. That's the bridge. So it's, so you do B minor first. That's ooh. Okay, just the B minor on the ooh, and then you do C. Gotta cure my curiosity. So it's ooh, want the good and the bad. All right, so on the good is when you do C. Good and the bad and everything in between. And these are just single strums here. Gotta cure my curiosity. So on C, again, you play it on cure. And then you just, I think it sounds best, you can either let it ring out or you can mute and do, oh yeah. All right, so, ooh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. Okay, that's the song. So after you go from so you just do that quick. go into the verse. There's no like intro chords that you go through once. You do so you do the first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then you do second verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then you do the bridge. Okay, then you just go right back into the chorus after you do the B minor C, B minor C, back into the chorus, and then the outro is just the same as the chorus. So it's just the same chords, and you're just singing. You know, you have to look up the lyrics for it. I'm not going to teach you all the lyrics, but because I don't know them that well either. But anyway, so yeah, that's the whole song. It's an awesome song. Play it for anyone you want, everyone you want. It's a really fun song to play. So anyway, I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or requests for new songs. Thanks, guys. See you next time.